Alright guys, so today's question is candy. It is on hard level, and I think it's not that hard actually. I mean, easy to understand. Like the solution that I'm gonna show you today is super easy to understand, so it's gonna make sense. Basically what they're asking is, they're giving us this array, and then we need to actually, yeah, these are the things, the requirements that we need to do. Each child must have at least one candy, and then children with a higher candy get more candies than their neighbors. For example, this one is bigger than its neighbor, right? So this one needs to get one more than this one gets, and then this one also needs to get more than this one gets, and this one, for example, this two should get more than this, but this one needs, like, these both should get same candy, but they need to be bigger than this one. So this is the explanation and solution that I'm gonna use. Actually, it's also, there are a couple solutions, but this is, I think, the most understandable one. Alright, so let's just dive in. First of all, I'm gonna first iterate from left to right, and then I'm gonna iterate right to left, and then while iterating from left to right, I'm gonna first of all find values that is increasing always. If they are increasing always, we will be adding them to the we will be adding one to previous value. And yeah, so let's first of all define an array. This is like, let's say, candies array, candies. All right, let's define as a length of ratings dot length dot fill with the 1. All right, so length, okay, good. So we have right now this candies array, then we gonna iterate from left to right. Ratings dot length. Alright, I plus plus. So like I said, what we're gonna do is, if this value is increasing, or let's say if our array dot ratings alright, I is smaller than ratings I is smaller, no, ratings I is bigger than my ratings I minus 1, ratings I minus 1, which means that we are increasing right now. Alright, then what I'm gonna do is, I will add like candies of I will be equal to candies of I minus 1 plus 1. Candies, yeah. So when I am moving from left to right, I am like setting them to this, and then, yes, okay, this is true. I'm gonna start from 1, yes, this is true. Then I'm gonna right now start iterating over from right to left. So for let I start from this ratings dot length minus 1, then I will be bigger than or equal to 0, and then I put minus. Alright, so for this one, what we are gonna do is, this is like, we need to actually right now choose the maximum value. So right now we iterate over from this one to this one, right? And then we are gonna do the same thing from right to left, but we have some value in here right now, and we want to choose this value, the maximum value between this one, the current value that we already have, and then the value that we can possibly have. So we want to choose the maximum between these two values. Alright, so the idea is, we are iterating from right to left, and array of I'm iterating over from right to left. Rewards, where's the candies? So first of all, if rating, alright, rating is I. Ratings I value is if I am bigger than, like say, if my I is bigger than, right? Ratings I plus 1. Ratings I plus 1. In this case, my candy is of I will be equal to method max of my current candies of I between this one and the candies plus 1 and then plus 1. Alright, so this for loop also update the values, and after this two updates we can just we gotta return the candies reduce of A and C and then A plus C. If we, yeah, there you go. What is this? Ratings is not defined. Ratings. What is that? Ratings. There you go. There you go, guys. So this is the solution. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.